In version 26, there have been several user interface enhancements to help streamline the user experience when using Business Central. These have been aimed at helping improve flexibility and productivity. Key updates include changes to the FactBox pane within your list views. You're now able to amend the size of your FactBox pane simply by clicking on it to extend or retract the FactBox view. You're also able to double-click to return the FactBox to its original size. Importantly, any changes you make here for each view are remembered, meaning that when you return, it will have retained your settings. Another useful enhancement is the ability to preview PDFs in the web browser. If you click on your PDF attachment, this will now preview in the current browser rather than immediately downloading it. You still have the option available to download from the ribbon on the bottom. In addition, from the Role Explorer, you're also now able to, on certain views, open them out in a new window. This means, rather than replace your current view, it will open up in a separate window and you'll be able to access your information from here. Lastly, within the Company Picker, additional options have been added to allow you to jump between companies more easily. You can see we have the options for switching, opening in a new tab, as well as now opening in a new tab and going to the same list. This means you can drill straight through to that other company and look at the same list you were currently looking at in the existing one.